You ready, Pickle?
Pickle, any pickle. That pickle.
Yeah.
Pickle, any pickle.
Oh, no. You gotta pick a pickle.
You got. Oh my gosh, there's so many left in here. Pickle.
Pickle.
Can you pick a pickle?
You gotta pick one. Where are you going?
Being a troublemaker.
Step up.
Oh, you're a good boy. Would you like to pick pickle?
You gotta pick a second pickle. Can you pick a second pickle?
Would you like to pick the second pickle from the jar?
Yes.
Okay, that one.
That one? Okay.
Don't bite me. I know you want the pickle so bad. I understand.
Getting so picky about the Daily Pickle.
Okay. Pick a pickle. That pickle. All right. What does your pickle say? Release self-doubt and embrace inner strength.
Oh, yeah.